freezing back here in Pennsylvania. I wish I was back in Africa.
Now that I'm home, I can tell you a little bit about what I did in Africa. Here we go. So me and my family drove up to the airport so we could fly to Africa. We had to wait 2 hours before we can get on our plane. It was a very long flight. So we landed safely in Africa and we decided to do some things. First, we decided to visit Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is the second most populous city in South Africa after Johannesburg and the provincial capital and primate city of the Western Cape. As the seat of national parliament, it is also the legislative capital of the country. The Castle of Good Hope is a star fort built in the 17th century in Cape Town, South Africa, originally located on the coastline of Table Bay. In 1936, the castle was declared an historical monument, and now following restrictions in the 1980s, and considered the best preserved example of the Dutch East Indian Company fort. Camps Bay is an affluent suburb in Cape Town, South Africa. In summer, it attracts a large number of foreign visitors as well as South Africans looking for a beach holiday. It is renowned for its white sandy beaches and fringed by palm trees. Also, while we were there, we decided to go visit Sea Point and go on a full-day tour. After we hit up Camps Bay, we decided to go to Table Mountain. Table Mountain is a flat-top mountain forming a prominent landmark overlooking the city of Cape Town in South Africa and is featured as the flag of Cape Town and another local government insignia. It is a significant tourist attraction. And also while we were there, we decided to go on the aerial climb. Then we traveled to the Kalahari Desert, which included the Kgalagadi Transfrontier Park. The Kalahari Desert is a large, semi-arid sandy savanna in southern Africa extending 900,000 square kilometers, covering much of Botswana, parts of Namibia, and South Africa. Semi-desert with huge tracts of excellent grazing after good rains, the Kalahari supports more animals and plants than a true desert. Some animals I saw there were bat-eared Cape foxes, some very scary lions, and a couple of meerkats. Like I said, we visited the Kgalagadi Transfrontier Park. The Kgalagadi Transfrontier Park is a large wildlife preserve and conservation area in southern Africa. The park straddles the border between South Africa and Botswana and comprises two adjoining national parks. After the wonderful visit to the Kalahari Desert and the Kgalagadi Transfrontier Park, we decided to visit Chobe National Park in Botswana. Chobe National Park in northern Botswana has one of the largest concentrations of the game in Africa. By the size, it is the third largest of the country, and the Central Kalahari Game Reserve is Gemsbok National Park. It is the most diverse. It is also the country's first national park. Some animals I saw there were warthogs, some kudu, impalas, zebras, a couple of fighting wildebeests, and some elephants. After that, we got to visit the beautiful Victoria Falls, which flows into the Zambezi River and was established in 1989. And this is another picture I took from an amazing view of Victoria Falls. While I was there, a thing that I did was swim in the falls, but you see the sign, it says no swimming. #rebel. I also got to go across the Victoria Falls Bridge connecting Zambia and Zimbabwe. We got to fly a helicopter over the falls. After the trip to Victoria Falls, we decided to visit Kabuli National Park in Uganda. The park was gazetted in 1932 and formally established in 1993 to protect a large area of forest previously managed as a lodged forest reserve. The park forms a continuous forest with Queen Elizabeth National Park. It took a couple days to get here, but now we are in Nairobi, Kenya. The city and its surrounding area also form Nairobi County. The name Nairobi comes from the Maasai phrase Nkare Nairobi, which translates to cool water. I saw a change of wealth and poverty throughout the city. This is a picture of the changes of wealth and poverty throughout Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi County was founded in 2013 on the same boundaries as Nairobi Province after Kenya's 8 provinces were subdivided into 47 counties. After that stop, we decided to go visit Mogadishu, Somalia, which is the largest city in Somalia and the nation's capital, located in the coastal Bandia region on the Indian Ocean. My final trip on my vacation to Africa was to Timbuktu, Mali. Timbuktu is a city in the West African nation of Mali, situated north of the Niger River on the southern edge of the Sahara Desert. The town is the capital of the Timbuktu region, on one of the 8 administrative regions in Mali. It had a population of 45,000 in 2009 census.
Hope you enjoyed my vacation in Africa. Now I'm back in Pennsylvania where it's freezing cold and it's snowing. See ya.